Hello, welcome to this weekend's chart analysis video for Sunday, the 5th day of January 2013. My name is Derek, and we got two different time frames for the chart of Palladium. What's on the screen now is the 50-day chart, and that's 5,000 total days going back to 1994. And then I'll finish it off within the 7-day chart, which will just be showing this little gap in here. All right, so let's take a look at this. 1994, price a little over 100. And 2000, a few years later, less than a decade, half decade later, up to 1094, about 10 times of a variant increase in the price action. And then to give it pretty much all back. And then to come close to where it was from the high. And well, if we take a look at the distance from the high to where it got up to, and then move that down, we can see it's pretty much the same as it almost came back down to the previous low, then it almost came back up to the previous high. Fibonacci retracement has had it holding above this level for a significant period of time, showing that it looks as if that the selling that occurred at the start of the millennium is that of a failed move. Within this 18 average band, it's been in an uptrend since this point in here, and it's been in this consolidation phase now for the last 10 or so periods. That's 500 plus days, the last couple of years in a consolidation phase. You look at the last few periods as well, you can see the candlestick formations like a bullish hammer formation, maybe a doji, whatever you want to call it, but showing very good signs thus far, to say the least. Next levels of resistance is this previous high. Getting above here is the 2000 high as far as areas of support. This previous low in here, as well as about 61.8% and roughly here. And then the Fibonacci mark at that point as key levels of support and resistance. But overall, looking very, very good. As far as the 7-day chart, looks a little choppy, yes. However, what's interesting to note is during this whole time that gold, silver, platinum, copper have all been getting crushed, Palladium has managed to really stay neutral within this sideways action, holding this significant Fibonacci resistance, an area which was resisted in here, has now been support for the last little while. Again, getting above this key resistance is important, and overall fairly choppy to say the least, but when you compare it to all the other precious metals, holding up a lot nicer. Okay, thank you for tuning in to this weekend's really quick video. Next weekend I'm going to do a platinum chart, unless of course something big happens within gold and silver, but really for the most part it's been pretty stagnant to say the least, which is why I've been doing less videos, and I'll talk to you all later on. Take care.